Hi there and welcome back to my channel. So today I received this email from Bath and Body Works where they have a today only, today being October 26th, it's Saturday, $13.50 for select 3-wick candles. So it does say select, so I'm not sure what their selection is like, so we shall see. But it is $13.50, and what intrigued me even more is that they have their 10 off 30 purchase. So what I was thinking of doing is purchasing 2 candles and possibly a wallflower because they're on sale for $3.50. So that would bring my total to $30.50. Take away the $10, bringing it to $20.50. So that would be for 2 candles and a wallflower. So I don't think that's so bad, plus tax, of course. They also included here that they have their new Into the Night, an alluring blend of dark berries, midnight jasmine, and rich amber. Although that sounds beautiful, that's not something that I'm picking up today, I don't think. This is also another good deal, 6 for $22 on select hand soaps. So again, it's select hand soaps. Partnering that up with maybe another 2 wallflowers or whatever it may be to bring me up to the $30 mark or so, and hopefully letting me use 2 coupons in 2 different transactions. The fine print does state that it is 1 per customer, so I don't know if they'll let me use 2. Comment down below and tell me if you've been successful in using 2 on 2 separate transactions. And here's the wallflowers I was telling about. It is fall scents, again on select, $3.50. Not the best deal I've seen because I have seen them go down to $2.95. However, with the coupon, that should even itself out. So let's go see what they have. I think I'll bring you along with me and let's see if I end up purchasing anything at all. And comment down below and let me know if you received this coupon and if you took advantage and what did you buy. So talk to you very soon, and yeah, we'll be back in a few. So here we are. I came to the Bath and Body Works located at the Duffer Mall. So come with me and let's see what they have. And welcome back to the haul portion of this video. Sorry I was not able to film very much within the stores, but it was super busy.
As a matter of fact, I had to mute out the actual video while filming in the store because it was so noisy. Plus, they were playing music that would have demonetized, so we can't have that. So that's why a lot of times I throw in my own music. I know a lot of us don't like that, but otherwise the video will be demonetized. So yeah, that's why, but it was more noisy than anything else. Anyways, I wanted to share what I did end up purchasing with those coupons and share with you, yeah, just pretty much share with you what I bought. So let me know down below if you took advantage of the sales. They also did tell me that starting Sunday, this will probably be going up Monday or Tuesday, that all their new Christmas line will be coming out. So stay tuned for that if you are a Bath and Body Works lover as I am. So if you want to see what I purchased this time around, you know the drill, please keep on watching. So I did do what I said I was going to do, where I bought the hand soaps, 6 for $22, plus I bought, well, let's just see what I bought. Let's move this bag out of the way. So I purchased, now keep in mind that their 6 for $22 were not fall scents. So I was a little disappointed with that. They did have fall scents, but those were $3.50 each. So these were more traditionally summer scents or their popular scents, but not so much fall or winter, which is okay because I needed to stock up regardless. So keep that in mind. So the first one I bought is the ever famous Champagne Toast. And this is, I bought all the gentle foaming soaps. Those are the ones I prefer. And their scent description is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. So I got that one. I also picked up the Thankful. And this is frankincense and myrrh. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Can I speak today? Correctly. And again, it's another gentle foaming soap. And the scent description on that one is, well, exactly what it said, frankincense and myrrh. Is that how you pronounce it? Well, I got that one. The next one I got, this is my favorite for the summer and spring, and you know what, all year round for that matter. So I've got 2 of these. These are the white tea and sage. I just love the scent. It's such a soft scent. And the scent description on that one is white tea and sage. Yay. It's our gentle foaming hand soap combines nourishing vitamin E and softening shea extract and aloe to deliver a rich lather. But I really, really do love that one. That was actually one of my favorites this year. So I did pick up 2 of those. So I'm now at 4 bath soaps or hand soaps. I also picked up the Sunlight and Apple Trees. I love the scent of apple trees. Not apple trees, I love the scent of apples. And this one is crisp apple, autumn leaves, and creamy musk. So that one was my 5th one. And my last one I picked up was the Sleep, and I really like this one as well. It's from their aromatherapy line, and it's black chamomile and bergamot. And the scent description on this one is, I don't see one, just chamomile and bergamot. So really, really love this one. I love the scent. The packages aren't the nicest. They did have other nice packages, but of course those were the $3.20 one, which wasn't the sale. So to make my $30, it actually went slightly over. I got 2 of the wallflowers, and again, they were select wallflowers. They didn't have all, well, they did have all the scents, but not all the scents were on sale. So I picked up the Apple Weather. So again, apple, I love apple. And the Perfect Autumn. And I was shy, I believe, of 50 cents or what have you. So I did pick up a hand sanitizer, and I picked up the winter candy apple. So that was transaction number 1, and they did allow me to make the 2 transactions. And my next transaction was, they had their candles on for $13.50, again with the 10 off 30 coupon. I had to make the difference. However, my go-to favorite candle, if you've been here with me for a while, is the Marshmallow Fireside. So I was going to pick up the Marshmallow Fireside, and I just confirmed with the customer service person there on the floor whether or not this one was $13.50, because not all candles were $13.50. She goes, that the one I was picking up, yes, that was $13.50. However, if I go to the next table over, they have 50% off, so those will actually be $12.50. Or was it $12.75? I think $12.50. So those were actually cheaper than the $13.50 candles, which I'm like, thank you, because that's my favorite scent. Although the packaging isn't the nicest, it's the scent I'm after. So the one I got was the Marshmallow Fireside. So it's not an awful package, but the one I had in my hand was so much nicer. And this is the top, the lid. But again, my favorite. It's just so, I just can't, it's just beautiful. It's such a nice scent. So I got that one. And my second go-to is the Frosted Cranberry. Now this one they didn't have in the 50% off table. So this one was $13.50. But again, it's the white wax. Oh, and I just love Frosted Cranberry. It just has a little bit of a tartness to it. I just love it. So I got that. And to make the difference, I had, this was on the 50% off table. So I got a hand cream just to throw in my purse of the Champagne Apple and Honey. We can sense a apple theme going on here. So I got that. Plus, I did end up getting one of this hand soaps, the Vanilla Birch. I love the Vanilla Birch candle. So I know I will love the Vanilla Birch hand soap. This one was the $3.50 one, but look at that. Looks like a birch tree. Absolutely love it. And does it have a scent description on this? It does not, but it is wonderful, wonderful. You could always look these scents up. This was the one total here. You can see it. And the second total. So that was a grand savings of $83.54 for all of this. So not bad in my opinion. Oh, why are you off focus? Sorry guys. Anyways, that was my Bath and Body Works haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you took advantage of this sale or any other sales. I'm looking forward to their winter and of course their Christmas scents, because I will be back. I always am. I say I won't be, but I will. As long as I have that 10 off 30 coupon, I'm good. Anyways, guys, thank you again so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone. Have a fantastic day.